Hello there, this is Brian Condo here from the Brian Condo team at Remax. Today on my blog, I'm going to talk about how to avoid costly housing mistakes before and after a divorce. Now, I've never been through a divorce or separation myself, but I do know a lot of people that have. I had clients, lots of clients that have gone through it as well. It's never pleasant. There's a lot of things you have to consider, not just the emotional stuff, but you have to really think about probably one of the biggest investments you'll ever have, and that's your house as well. And this blog is about the housing mistakes that you might have to go through. So, anyways, let's get right to it. Okay, so one of the most important decisions is what to do about the house, and I just talked about that. In the midst of the heavy emotional and financial turmoil, what you need most is some non emotional, straightforward, specific information and answers. Again, it's not just the emotional and financial, but it's about the real estate as well. Once you know how a divorce affects your home, your mortgage, and taxes, critical decisions are easier. Neutral third party information can help you make logical rather than emotional decisions. And probably the first decision is whether you want to continue living in the house. Now, I have a lot of people asking me about this when there's a separation. And it depends on the situation, but please, if this ever happens to you in the future or is about to happen to you, give us a call and give me some of your, I guess, the what you're going through, the situation you're in. In some cases, I tell you to try to stay in the house together. However, sometimes that's just not possible, especially if there's a safety issue involved. But anyways, that would be one of the first things you do is talk to your lawyer and then talk to me, the real estate agent. Will the familiar surroundings bring you comfort and emotional security or unpleasant memories? And do you want to minimize change by staying where you are or sell your home and move to a new place that offers a new start? Again, that's a big consideration right there. Only you can answer those questions, but there will almost certainly be some financial repercussions to your decision process. And what can you afford? Can you manage the old house on your new budget? Is refinancing possible? That last part is kind of important because when you first bought that house, there's a very good chance you needed either yourself and your spouse on title to the mortgage, or maybe even a parent or someone else co-signing. Or is it better to sell and buy? How much house can you buy on your new budget? Again, you're talking one income now versus two or possibly more. To help you know what questions you should ask and how to arrive at the right answer for your specific situation, a free special report has been prepared by industry experts entitled Divorce: What You Need to Know About Your House, Your Mortgage, and Taxes. The purpose of this report is to help you ask the right questions so you can make informed decisions that will be right for your individual situation. Again, I talked to you a bit about the different situations require different answers. But there are four options. You have four basic options when in the midst of a divorce. And here are two of those options. One, sell the house now and divide up the proceeds. So your primary consideration under these circumstances is to maximize your home's selling price. We can help you avoid the common mistakes most homeowners make, which compromise this outcome. And as you work to get your financial affairs in order, make sure you understand what your net proceeds will be. That is, after selling expenses and after determining what your split of the proceeds will be. Note that the split may not be 50-50, but rather may depend on the divorce settlement, the source of the original down payment, and the legislative property laws in your area. Yeah, so sometimes when you go into into a marriage, most of the time it's a 50-50 split. If you're going into it, you're going in 50-50. When you come out, it's 50-50. However, there could be something in your agreement when you first bought the house that if one spouse is putting down the 25% down payment, if something happened, it might be in writing where they get that 25% off the top, and then there's a 50-50 after that. It really depends. And the second option is buy out your spouse. So if you intend to keep the house yourself, you'll have to determine how you'll continue to meet your monthly financial obligations. If you only now have one salary, and I sort of touched on that already. If you use two incomes to qualify for the old loan, refinancing on your own might be a challenge. You may not even be able to afford it. Like you may not be able to qualify. So there are two of the four housing options to be aware of in the event of a divorce. There are two more, like I said. So if you'd like to see the rest of those options, and that would be option number 3 and option number 4, you can grab a copy of my report, Divorce, What You Need to Know About Your House, Your Mortgage, and Taxes. And you can get that for free by clicking on the following link, and it's right here. If you can't click on that, because I'm not sure you can always copy it and put it in your browser and go there, or just type that into your browser. Okay? Or you can call me at 905-683-7800. That's my office. There's a good chance I may not be there, but you can always get Jeanette, my assistant, let her know your situation, you want to talk to me, and I will call you back. Or you can try direct at 905-426-7484. And if for some reason you don't get me there direct and have to leave a message, please speak slowly and spell any uncommon names you might have, as well as leave your phone number that I can reach back out to you. Or you can email me, brian@briancondo.com. Okay, and like I already said, if you can give us your full name and contact information, that would be great if you're leaving a message for me or email me. So anyways, thanks for reading today's blog. And here is my contact information again. Okay, and I have some performance guarantees. If you are a seller and you're looking to sell your house, we will guarantee to sell your house or I will buy it. Okay, you can get my free report on that at briansguaranteedsaleprogram.com. And remember, your referrals change lives. We donate a portion of our income on every home sale to a great worthy cause like Sick Kids Hospital. And you can find out more by clicking on this domain name, referforsickkids.com. And then if you or anyone you know is considering moving the next little while, you can give me a call or pass on my number. And those are the same numbers we gave you before. So hopefully this is going to be helpful. Please request the report. You can give me a call at any time. Have yourself a great day and please stay safe. Thank you.